If you're using the Kadence theme and you want your customers to compare products, but not just the ones who use it, all your customers, this is the video for you. I'll show you how to set it up completely so you can create your own custom tables as well as automatically generate it just how Amazon, Walmart, and all the big boys do. Let's dive right in. In this section, we're going to go over OtterWP's product compare plugin. This plugin does all the traditional things that a compare plugin does, but it adds a section into your single product page, which can either be dynamic or one that you create yourself. This is a paid plugin, so if you want it, you go to the website linked in the description below. If not, and you just want to see how it operates, we will go over that here. So we're going to select a product. We're going to do a 3D printer because they have a whole bunch of attributes that we can compare against each other. And we will select this one. And it's being a bit slow today. And we'll scroll down to here. And this will start the actual building of it. Now we just search 3D printers. And when you add the first one, it's automatically going to throw on all the attributes that they have in common. Or that, not in common, but they have together. And let's add the rest. And now you have them all down here. Now I generally like to slowly tier up the price. So let's go ahead and move them all around. And you can even move these wherever you like and they will display in that. So now whenever someone comes into this product, they will always have this table down below to compare against each other. And I always like it before related products because it is far more powerful than that. Hit update and that product will be set, but you don't even have to do all that. You can go over here to compare settings. You can change all the colors of the table and the buttons, but what we're going to want is the dynamic compares. We want automatic, we want it before related products. You can allow or not allowed. You can set a maximum amount of products. This also includes the customer's one that they can select, because if you allow 100 products, that's going to be no use to anyone. And you can select all attributes or common attributes for the dynamic section. You can choose the location of the buttons and where you want them, as well as exclude products. So say you have a product that you don't want them to use, either by dynamic or them selecting, you can do it there, as well as what attributes you may not want someone to compare. Now, I always put the requirement to 3 attributes before the dynamic will actually start comparing products automatically, because if they have 1, it's not going to be much help, but if they have more 3, then it's going to be a massive help. And just save the settings you want, and they will show up, and it'll be automatic for you. And here we are on the front end, as you can see the product that we created the table for. And here it is on the front end. And if we click on one of these, a similar table is going to show, but automatically generated for you, as well as the ability to add as a normal compare plugin does, and view it, show differences, show all, search for other products, and make it easy for your customers to compare everything to each other. Kadence also has a compare products one, but it's just simple and basic. And as you can see, if you grab this one, this will significantly increase your customer's ability to find exactly what they're looking for, thus increasing your likelihood of getting more sales. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.